I'm going to break down how over 5 years we became a leader in providing digital marketing for Canadian industrial markets. This starts in 2018 where I posted a LinkedIn post about digital marketing. A friend of mine in Alberta liked the post. A friend of hers happened to be the manager at a subsidiary of a multinational company called Reliance Steel and Aluminum. This is an $8 billion plus per year company, publicly traded, that is the largest supplier and seller of steel and aluminum in North America. And one of their subsidiary companies, let's call that Company A for the sake of this video, operates in Canada with 3 locations. This person reached out to me over LinkedIn and we began setting up a digital marketing campaign for them in 2018. What this campaign consisted of was Google Ads and excellent landing pages. And over 5 years, we refined the Google Ads, we refined the landing pages. And what we learned is that the industrial market is an untapped opportunity for digital marketing because most owners and operators and managers and marketing managers of industrial companies are old school. They don't know anything about digital marketing and they don't really do digital marketing. So what we found is the competition was low and our ads were able to perform extraordinarily well. I'm going to open my Google Ads Manager right now and show you 5 years of summary data for Company A. So right here we see the first metric is clicks, 83.3 thousand clicks over 5 years. Average cost per click is $1.05, which is extremely effective and low. Conversions is 3.58 thousand. This is the number of people that reached out and contacted the Company A about becoming a customer. And then finally we have cost. Over 5 years, we only spent $87,400. Let's jump into Google Sheets and make further sense of this data. So first of all, we have the leads, which we know is 3,580, which matches the number of conversions as reported from Google. This is the amount of people that reached out to the business asking about ordering metal. Then we have the average customer order value. So this represents when an order does come through, it's worth $7,500. Then we have the total pipeline value. This is the leads multiplied by average customer order value, which equals 26,850,000. This is the total potential value we generated this client A over 5 years. Then we have the average conversion rate, which means on average how many leads actually turn into successful orders, which we have at a conservative estimate of 8%. Then we have the value generated. This is one of the most important metrics. It takes the average conversion rate multiplied by the total pipeline value. And what we get there is $2.1 million. This is the bottom line revenue we generated the client over 5 years of doing their marketing. Then we have the cost, which we remember to be $87,300. It's the amount of money paid to Google in order to generate $2.1 million of additional revenue. Look at ROI, that is a 25x return on investment for this client. Fast forward to March of 2023 and Company A reaches out to me and says, hey, there are 2 other companies that are also subsidiaries of Reliance Steel and Aluminum. We're going to call them Company B, Company C, that also operate in Canada that are also interested in this type of digital marketing. Now, when I presented to them this type of data and the track record we have with Company A, it was fairly easy to show Company B and Company C that it would be in their best interest to also begin working with us. Now, Company B has 3 locations across Canada and Company C has 5 additional locations across Canada. Now, as I take a step back and look at the map of Canada, I see how we're running the digital marketing for 3 industrial metal retailers in BC, 3 industrial metal retailers in Alberta, 1 in Manitoba, 2 in Ontario, and 2 in Quebec. We have a strong grasp now on the overall Canadian digital marketing for industrial markets, especially in the space of selling steel and aluminum, which is a massive industry in Canada, which is so fueled by oil and gas, mining, and natural resource extraction. There is a high demand for industrial supplies like steel and aluminum. And that is how I love to grow my agency, North Digital, through being patient, doing incredible work for our clients, and watching the referrals pour in and having us naturally expand in key verticals. So if you're watching this video and you know someone or you need help with marketing for an industrial business, I'd love to talk to you. Or if you're building your agency and this is inspiration on how to grow in a specific vertical, I'd love to hear from you as well. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.